Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming essentials, a connected device and your Xhide account email or username. Once you open the app or website, locate and click Forgot Password. This starts the reset flow. You'll be prompted to choose email or SMS recovery, so pick the method tied to your account. Make sure any 2FA device near you is charged and accessible, because if prompted, you'll need it to verify identity. This reduces lockout risk and speeds completion. Once you request a code, check your email inbox, spam, and promotions tabs, or open your SMS app. Codes typically arrive within seconds. Enter the recovery code into Xhide exactly as shown, because codes often expire in 5 to 15 minutes. If your account uses two-factor authentication, you'll next either approve a push notification or type an authenticator app code. Do that now. After verification, you're allowed to set a new password. This confirms you control the recovery channel. Now create a strong, unique password for Xhide. Aim for 12 or more characters with letters, numbers, and symbols, and confirm it exactly. Once saved, sign in on your primary device to ensure the change propagated and update any linked devices or apps that use the old password. If you don't receive a recovery code, wait 5 minutes and request another, check filters, or use alternate recovery methods. If problems persist, contact Xhide support and provide account.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.